Watch this videos and learn how to inspect product with Troco app.
How to use Troco to inspect any product on Facebook, you understand, with their team. So what you have to do, I come across this team on Facebook, HP Elite Book 1030 G2, 210,000. It's very cost. I don't trust this person. I want to inspect this product in Ikeja. Look at the location in Ikeja. So now what I have to do now is to come on Troco. This is on my collection side on the middle. So I'll come down to the plus green button to create an order. Ikeja inspection. Click one day. So a day. So what's happened now? You see now it will create automatically now. See, I've created an order. So now what I have to say, I need an inspection team number. Team number. So I have to wait. So let me know whether the admin will respond to me fast. Depends on the time the admin respond to you. Okay. Specify the city you required the inspection team for. So it's asking, let me specify the city that I need the team number. I get what I'm saying. So what you have to do is to type the city, Ikeja. So now I'm typing the city. They will respond to me to know. Let me put I've put it up now, Ikeja. So let me wait for them to respond. Let's see. Contact the Ikeja inspection team at 0810 for any product verification. So it's asking me to now to contact the inspection team with this number. That's the person that will inspect my product for me in Ikeja. So the person, I have to contact him with this number. I'll say okay. So let me, I don't know. So now I have to contact him. This now I'm speaking with the admin of the team, okay, of the Troco team. Now they say, kindly give a call to send them a WhatsApp message so you can discuss the merchandise to look at before the inspection. There will be a fee or 1-2%. If there are any issue, contact me. But he said that they will charge me, the team will charge me money. But if any issue occurred, that something happened, let me contact them. They will respond to me. So that's very, very easy. I will say okay. So this is very easy to do. Wow, it's very nice. No need of you going through stress. I watch. So I have to go. Okay, they say I wish you looked. I hope you hear from flowing the transaction. So they say he wish me good luck to hear from me flowing the transaction. So that is, I'll say okay, thank you, thanks. Consider that. So right now I can contact this person now. I can contact this person. If I contact this person, I will discuss with what I want him to inspect for me in Ikeja. So the person will go to inspect this product for me because the person is close to Ikeja. You have to inspect this product. He's working with the Troco team to inspect this product on behalf of me. So any deal that I discuss with, like, he's going to, if I can even pay him 5,000 for or 10,000 for him to go and inspect this product for me, to know whether this product is legit, to know whether it meets up my standard. So this is the work. And because of I'm not in Ikeja, because I'm in Abuja, because I want him to inspect this product on behalf of me in Ikeja. I get in it. So that's why the Troco team, this is how the Troco works. So you can use it to create an order, request for the inspection team, for them to come and inspect your product for you. So Troco is very standard and Troco is automobile. You can try to use it today. So now I can inspect any product in Facebook. Even though I see any product here, I can contact with Troco team. They will send me an inspection team that will go and inspect the product for me. So it's very, very easy. I want you to try it today and thank me later.